Hi, today I want to share with you a wonderful breast massage that is not only a great self-love exercise, but also keeps your breasts healthy, happy and firm in your old age. Because now I'm 39 and my breasts have never been better. I have done this massage for around 10 years now and I'm so happy that I started. It's just amazing. And just in case you're wondering if I will be naked, no, I will not be naked in this video. This is nothing sexual. And also I don't want to have like weird people and comments on this video. So if you're looking for this, go away. And you, of course, can be naked and should be naked, because I have just tested it and it doesn't really work as good with clothing. So you can do it with oil or just without oil, and when you get used to it you can also do it anytime, anywhere, in the shower, whenever you think about it or whenever you just have some free time on your hands. And I recommend it to do it daily because it's just so good and it feels so good and it's just so healthy for your breasts. So let's start. This is a follow me video, so we can start right now. And we start on one side and we just bring all our skin and fat and anything else to the front, always towards your nipple, and then from the outside out, always towards the nipple, just for some time. And don't forget to send loving thoughts towards yourself, towards your beautiful breasts, and then down also. On the other side, really with a lot of love and pressure. Don't be too soft, you can't damage anything. And now after 10 years I can tell you, you will not damage anything. And this is a great way also to find any cysts or lumps that you might have, and maybe you want then to go to your doctor and show them, but normally it's nothing bad, like when you feel something. And then you go around in a circular motion, and this way it can make your breasts just firmer and smaller. And the other direction should be making the breast bigger. So this is not what I'm planning, so I will just keep in this direction. And in between you can always like shake out, breathe deep and just feel the energy that's running through your body. And then you can put your hands under your breasts and shake them a little bit. It's a funny exercise, but it's really great. And when you do the breast massage, depends of course on how big your breasts are, you will also be able to run without a bra. So I can run without a bra, although I even don't know what size I have, because I don't wear a bra at all in the last 3-4 years. Another tip for you, if you want to try it, it's really great. It's just the best that you can do for your head. Okay, next step. Then you stroke like an 8 around your breasts with your one hand. Just keep this stroke and then you can change the direction. Now with this video we're going quite quick. If you want to make it a little bit longer, you can do it. And now we change the hand. So we do both hands in both directions. And then you change. Keep breathing, feeling your breaths, feeling your body, and just being happy that you have 2 breaths. It's wonderful, not everybody has 2 breaths. And then you shake out, and then you stroke like from under the breast, like out. This is like releasing bad energy. And the massage that I'm showing you here is from Dr. the Taoist practices, and some random videos that I have seen on the internet that have inspired me. So it's just a mix of everything. And of course, if you want to intensify everything and to really work with your energy, but it's just so much work. You can also do it and look up Taoist breast massage. I can recommend it, it's great, but for myself I just don't have like enough mind space and time to do all this energy work, so I just go with the flow and just work intuitively with my body. Another beautiful thing is you go in little circles and you really press into your breast, and this is a wonderful way. So in case you have like a lump or a cyst or something, you will find it this way. And then the other side. And then the nipples also. You can just touch them in any way you like. Breathe deep and just feel so grateful that you have two beautiful breasts in your body. And at the end you can just cup them, and it's like a little meditation. Feel the energy in your body. And if you want, you can imagine love radiating in and out of your chest, your heart area. And the gratitude for your beautiful body. And that's it. So if you like this, please let me know in the comments, and yeah, just tell me how you feel, what you think, and what you think about all of this. And then also, if you want to see more videos of me, just subscribe, and if you don't want to miss anything, just press the bell, then you will always be notified. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!